Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be in the know. Also, there is that thumbs up in that same area. It's important on the YouTube platform for the growth of a YouTuber. So if you enjoy that I make content, please take a second to hit that thumbs up. And you, like I said, you'll see it right underneath the video. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and that's you helping me grow on YouTube. So I'm thanking you in advance for that. All right, today I'm really excited to have the opportunity to share with you a charms order. I can't tell you how long it's been since I've been able to find something in the charm room. If you're not familiar with the charm room at Boxycharm, when we do our reviews, they give us charms. And the charms kept adding up and adding up and adding up because I have a lot of boxes that I get from Boxycharm. So every time, and there's such a small window when the charm room is open, because the charm room isn't open when the add-ons are going on and when the pop-ups are going on, and he has those going on for a long time during the month. So usually there's a 1 week window where some items might show up. This time around, there was such a large array of products I have never seen. Usually on the charm room, you're lucky if there's a half a dozen products. This, I can't even tell you how many were in there. So I went in and I started spending my charms, and I was so excited because all you end up paying is the tax. And it comes in one of these plain boxes, no different than when we get add-ons and pop-up orders. So really excited that that arrived. So I have my notes of what I ordered, but I'm missing one of the items in here. So I will have to contact them, and I'm sure that it's not available anymore in the charm room, so I'm sure I'll just get some charms back. But that's okay. I ended up getting a lot of good items, and I'm really excited that I was finally able to spend my charms. And please share with me in the bottom if you guys also have a lot of charms, if you feel like I do about the charm room. But I'm telling you, once you see what I was able to pick up, it'll blow your mind. Okay, the first item that was in here that I was able to pick up was from Sunday Riley. It is the Tidal Brightening Enzyme Water Cream. I have been having this on my list for the longest time, and I cannot believe that I'm holding this in my hand. This is a $65 value, and the 65 would be like 60. The charms work like very similar. So this one here says it's a lightweight oil-free gel cream for instantly glowing dewy skin, to forms of advanced hyaluronic acid infused with water into the skin. It will gently refine papaya enzymes, will smooth the look of texture or dehydrated skin for a baby soft complexion, and it will brighten the appearance of discoloration for clear radiance. And it simply says, how to use it morning and night to clean skin. Can be applied on the top of the Luna, which is their night serum, or Good Genes, which is also really good. One of my favorite products in Sunday Riley is her A, which is really fantastic too. And this is can be patted, so is the Good Genes. Can be patted over your makeup application for instant radiance to keep your foundation hydrated. And it says, for a pro tip, use under foundation or pat on top of foundation to instantly add a natural looking glow to your finished look. And that's what it looks like here. I'm going to take a little bit off the cap. It has almost like a greenish tint to it. Whoops. That's what that looks like there. And yeah, it's a very cooling. There's no scent to it at all, which is really nice. And really excited to have the opportunity to get this. And like I said, Sunday Riley is such a treat, and the fact that it was in the charm room, I couldn't believe it. So really excited about that. The next item in here was one that I wanted to replenish, and I had it on my list for add-ons. So the fact that this showed up, and I didn't get it in this beautiful blue. I'll show you the one that I have. But this is from this brand called KAB, K-A-B, and this is what the product looks like here. This is a hydrating lip oil. This is a $20 value, but I was able to get it, saw it in the add-ons for either $3 or $6. This one says, say goodbye to the dry and thirsty and hello to the juicy hydrated lips. Your lips will love this non-sticky instant burst of hydration that comes in 6 different tints. Swipe this formula on for comfortable juicy lips all day long. And this is, like I said, this is the one that's here, and we will swap it, but there's no real color to these, so I don't know what the colors I don't feel that there's a scent either. So this is like a clear gel. That is what it looks like over there. And the one that's from my stash is here. And you can see that when I pull the stopper out, how low this goes. So you knew that I was ready for another one. So I was hoping to see it in the add-ons, but now I was able to get it in the CharmRoom. This does have a little bit of a pinkier tint to it. You can kind of see it there, but really, really enjoying this. So if you see these, I would definitely grab one. I've really been enjoying it, and it's KAB is the brand. This is the lady from Bravo. All of a sudden her name is, I think it's Kim. She has 2 daughters. She used to be on the Atlantic Housewives, and then they put her out with Don't Be Tardy and all that. This is her and her 2 daughters coming out, and she loves makeup, and their makeup applications are just beautiful. So the fact that they came out with a makeup line, I think is fantastic. All right, the next item that I was able to pick up, and the one that I'm missing, is the Watermelon Brightening Face Mask from Milk. So a little disappointed, but it is what it is. So the next one in here we got was from Becca Cosmetics, and anything Becca now I'm grabbing. This one is the, it says it is the Glow Gloss in Camelia. I think it came in this beautiful box, and this is what the product looks like here. This is normally a $22 value. It says the lip formula with a shine of gloss pigment of liquid lipstick with nourishing benefits of a balm. It will condition, plumping peptide, high shine finish, and it is also nourishing. I already own a few of these glosses, and I really, really enjoy them. The fact that it was sitting in the CharmRoom, that's how it ended up here. So I'm gonna just put a little bit here. This is what, the dough applicator looks like there. It has a bit of a tilt to it. It goes on very, like a thicker, look how gorgeous that is. I really enjoy the Becca line. All right, the next item that I got was also from Becca. This came in this retail packaging, and this is the product here. And is the Ultimate Lip Definer, and they're saying it is a high impact 8-hour long wear lip liner. This is an $18 value that effortlessly contours and defines the lips with the perfect balance of color. Start at the center, move outward. You're lining your lips. Okay, so one side here has a sponge tip applicator. I don't know if you can see it there. And the other side is a pencil, and we'll just do a quick line here so you can see. And it is such a beautiful color that you can literally put your whole, that's one stroke, and then you could make this your lip color and then just do a nice gloss over it. It is stunning. So really, really excited about this one. And this is in the color, they're calling it Playful. So initially what ended up happening, and now it's going to be less than $26, but it ended up being like $150, but I spent 15100 charms, and then all I paid was the $10.50 in taxes, and that's everything that I got on here. So yeah, that's everything. So like I said, so happy to be able to spend my charms. Please mark down in the comments down below if you were able to get in on this last time that the CharmRoom was open and what you chose. And if you've had the opportunity to try any of these products, please share in the comments down below if you're enjoying them, what you think about them, because in the comments, that's where we share with each other. And that's it for today. So take care, everybody, stay well, and I will see you again soon in my next video. Take care, and bye-bye for now.